Go and read your history. Many of us come from up there in the north, coming down here. Many of us, that's why there can't be Mpofu here. Dalimpofu is not here. There can't be Dalimpofu here who says, I don't want Zimbabweans. The Mpofus are in Zimbabwe. The Mpofus are in Zimbabwe. You cannot come here and want to use language and to divide us. Medicine in Shona is Mushonga. Medicine in Venda is Mushonga. We are one thing, we speak one language, the difference is dialect, and therefore we cannot pay attention on dialect. You know why they hate me? Because I'm teaching you these things. They want you to remain dumb, because without brains, they can control you. But when we are united as Africans, no one can come between us and divide us. So let us fight until we know who we are. Because what they did was to take our identity. One day I will tell you why I'm Mushabi. Mushabi are black Jews. But not today. I will explain to you why I'm a black Jew. Because we come from very far. Where these Jews claim they come from, that's where we come from. Actually, the original Jew is black. But let me leave that debate. We'll deal with it some other day. So before you speak very bad of the Jews in Britain, you must check you are next to Mushabi, Mole, by himself. So you must be careful. You ought to know who you are to avoid being manipulated by those who thrive through divide and rule. So, comrades, our case is postponed to March next year. In our mind, there is no case. We must never worry about that. We leave that in Lawrence's hands and his team. We must win this case. Because if we don't win this case, then they must know they've compromised their career. They can't use such a simple, useless case. So they have to make sure we win this case. When they worry on the facts of the case, we worry about winning government and taking over power. Because they brought us here to distract us, to defocus us. Fighter, do not be defocused by your enemy. Focus on taking over the municipalities. Focus on taking over power. Focus on removing Cyril Ramaphosa. Focus on removing the corrupt ANC. Focus on collapsing capitalism. Focus on winning socialism in our lifetime. Because the future is socialism. They can say everything. They will never defocus me. Even if I die, they will never rest from what I spoke about. Because you can kill me, but you'll never kill my ideas. My ideas are out there. They are going to traumatize them even when I'm dead. The generation after us must take the struggle for land forward. We will not get the land, but we are digging a solid foundation for generations to come and build a strong struggle to retain the land, to retain the world, to retain the banks, to take the mines, and make sure every child, particularly African children, have got roof over their head. No one will ever defeat that dream. Not prison can defeat that dream. Not even death can defeat the emancipation of an African child. The struggle for the emancipation of an African child, it is unstoppable. We have started it. We may not finish it, but generations after us, they will take the baton and win this victory for us. Ours is to leave with you a solid legacy, so that those who come after us can say on our graves, here lies uncompromising characters of the African liberation. I don't want to be president of South Africa. I don't want to be a minister. I don't want any of those nice things. All I want is to liberate the minds of true African children who will not be scared of whiteness and white supremacy. I'm not in this for anything. Ramaphosa offered me and Floyd ministerial positions. We told him we are not here for that nonsense. We are here to liberate our people. So we are not here for nice things. We are here not for power, not for tenders, to liberate one by one the mind of an African child. So when I see many of you here, gathered here, not being scared to take on racism and capital, it means I've overachieved. Because all I was looking for was two Africans who can be like me. But there are so many people now who are like me. Every time when they are home, every time at their workplaces, even at school, when they reason and people can't defeat them, but we're now Julius Malema. That's all I wanted. I have achieved that. It means I can sleep now. Because you will continue the battle. We wanted that. We wanted people who can say there is life even outside ANC. We wanted people who can say, I don't have to breathe fresh air. For me to breathe fresh air, I don't have to be in the ANC. We are proving that it's actually hot outside the ANC. And it is cold inside the ANC. They are all feeling cold. They are following each other like Casey and Jojo into prison one by one. Hack. I think a golf favor fella. But before Irwala the innocent, those goals of hawks must start at Ramaphosa's house first. Because here working so Matomo. Ijile chelete, igana di pampiri. Anche di pampiri just year 17. Hayora sinukodu. Bar zondo unyaga di penga account chamalema. Zondo ampe date linako. Kimudiele kopi. Kidiele le musadi wa hai. Kidiele le mwanola wa hai. Wala bule tumuruna le mwana. Kante. Kibadiele ka ufela di kopi. Ta bank statement yaka. Agitabi silo. I'm not scared of anything. Zondo, don't come to me through newspapers. If we indorder, face me straight, come to me straight, ask for my bank details from me. I'm not scared of Zondo. Zondo is not Jesus Christ. He's a human being like us. And he wants me, he will fight me. If he wants to use the commission we have established ourselves to further the political agenda of Jamanas and Cyril Ramaphosa, we will expose him for who he is. We are not scared. Me, I'm not scared, nothing. They tried me before. They took everything from me before. They thought they will finish me. Standing solid now with a nice tie. They can go die. I've defeated them before, I will defeat them again. Amanda! Amanda! Viva EFF, viva! Auno Maziafa! Auno Maziafa! Ualo fighter! Hello fighter, hello fighter, hello fighter, hello fighter. No Maziafa, no Maziafa, oh no siyafa Hello fighter Hello fighter Awuno masiyafa No masiyafa Hello fighter Who left, who right? Come on, sir. Who left guitar? Kill me. Kill wata. Samarmo. Asicha. Where were you when I'm sitting? Where were you when I'm ready? Sofa sketchy. Emoye. Sofa sketchy. Yetati. Sipram Kondo Alliance. Sipram Kondo Alliance. Shoot to kill. Namasa.